In front of me is Honor 20 Lite, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach the settings, then find and select System and Updates, and now reach Backup and Restore. And here you will notice Google Backup, so just mark the first icon under Google Backup, which is Backup to Google, and activate it by using this switcher. So once the indicator is active, your backup is on as well. However, it is not working yet if you don't have a Google account in your device. So if you haven't logged in with your Google account yet, you need to do it right now. So just select the backup account. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, because otherwise you will not be able to log in. And now use your email number or phone number, email address or phone number, whichever is connected with your Google account. In my case, it is email address, and then click on Next. And now let me enter the password. And as only the password is entered, just click on Next. And here you need to read all terms of service and also privacy policy. And if you do agree with all the terms and conditions written here, just tap on I agree. And that's it. As you can see, backup to Google Drive is active. And tap on accept to confirm your selection. And that's it. You've just activated Google Backup in your Honor 20 Lite. Your backup includes apps and app data, call history, contacts, device settings, and also messages. Tap on OK to finish the whole operation, and it has been done. You've just activated Google Backup. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.